Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial on precision music. This is part 2 of how to create a custom kit within Ultrabeat. In the previous video, we were showing you how to create a custom preset using Logic Pro X's and Ultrabeat's factory preset sounds. In this video, we're going to be learning how to create our own preset custom kit using samples that we pull off of our hard drive, whether you downloaded them from Beatport Sounds or maybe you just got the latest Vengeance pack and you want to load them into a sampler so you could trigger them via MIDI. It's very simple. There's two ways that we could go around doing this. And the first thing you want to do is open up your Ultrabeat. You want to get a drum kit called, where is it now? I believe it's called drag and drop samples. There we go. Drag and drop samples. And now you have a completely clean slate. If you try to trigger any of these samples, nothing's going to happen because there's nothing in there. And so what you could do is to load one of your samples is simply just click on one of these bars here. You could head over to your Finder and you could simply just drag any of the sample that's on your hard drive located in whatever folder into this window over here. And when you drop it in, you'll notice the waveform now exists because you now have a sample within this slot and it could be triggered. The other way around this, if you don't want to go outside of your DAW and start playing around in different submenus, everything could be done in Logic Pro X. All you got to do is head up here to the top right corner to your media browser. You can locate your sound. You could even search for a certain sound within a folder. If you say you just want a kick, you could type in kick, and then as long as your sound is labeled with the keyword kick in it, all of those kicks will show up. Right now I'm in an effects folder, and I could preview my effects. I could preview my effects just by clicking. Okay, so that's cool. That could work in this kit maybe. So once you've found the sample that you want to use in your new custom kit, same thing as you did in the Finder, all you gotta do is click and drag it. Don't make the same mistake that I almost just made. See, I almost just overrided one of the samples that I already dropped in, because what you want to do is click on a new unused sample box over here. And then you want to drag your sample in. And again, now you can see your waveform, and it can now be triggered. And you could go and do the same thing multiple times for each one of these sample boxes. When you're done creating your custom kit, all you got to do is head over to Save As. You could name it whatever you want. We'll just name it Custom 2. Hit save, and now when you open up your Ultrabeat, you can see that there's Custom 2 here in your custom kits, and it can be accessed anytime for future projects. Hope that was helpful, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you on the next video.